Ready for handwriting? Choose your writing size and lettercase first. Large works best if you're using your finger. Click the orange Start button to begin the game. When the game starts, trace the letter in the middle of the screen and then tap the orange Next button to move on to the next letter. If you want more choices, tap the Writing Options button. Take your time to learn how to draw each letter by watching the video on the screen. If you want another go, click the Redo button. Once you get the hang of it, try to complete them all in under 2 minutes for an extra reward. If you choose the maze reward, you'll start in the top left corner and drag your finger anywhere on the screen to move the dog through the maze to the bottom right corner. When you save a dog, a new maze will appear. Save as many dogs as you can until time runs out. Collect bones and take the fastest path for extra points. Free to download on Google Play.